everybody, welcome back to another Feather Family video, and I'm gonna be showing you my new prehistoric birds and these guys. Well, I'm gonna get the Moa, Gastornis, Kalenkin, Pelagornis, Hopagornis, Argentavis, skeleton next. So I'm really excited. I want to show you all of these birds. Let's start with a tiny egg, which is gonna be the Kaua'i Ō'ō egg. Okay, we're gonna remove that tech later. I'm stuck. And there's literally everybody here is Japanese. There's no English. Eggs cannot pick things up. I knew that. I got stuck on that. Let's hatch, shall we? Never mind. Okay, I guess we're gonna start with country soreness. As you can see here, this is the country soreness. That pigeon just went flying like through. There is no Japanese eagle. Oh well, time to hop servers. I'm gonna go to here, normal server, and then I'm going to move back over to, I'm gonna spawn as a chickadee real quick for no reason, just so that I can get right into here. Guys, the chickadee is not extinct. You can still see it today in Twitch. Roleplay server rules, I don't care. I think this actually does hop servers. We'll hop in servers. Bye. Okay, so now let's get serious. Let's respawn as a Confucianus hatchling. We're gonna go over literally everything here. Oh no. Okay, I guess it did. I'm gonna join bird fly. Ew! Why is it pink? What's this? Oh, that's a different seed. Okay, now let's grow up into a female. Let's beat the female first, because that's pink. Oh. So let's go over everything here. Let's see this rack first. Okay. Let's look for a home. I joined the bird fly for no reason. Build nest. This thing just falls out of the sky. I'll show you. Let's go into here. Is this the old model? Where is his beak? I just fall out of the sky. Okay, now let's go into a snail. Oh my goodness. Okay. What did I just hear? Okay, so let's teleport to the base here. Why is it pink? This is where my next is. Okay, so let's do this in our private space. Right here. Here is the call. It does an animation to eat. And display, which is actually kind of hilarious because it does that. Hurt? Oh no, he's hurt. Just kidding. Sit. Eyes. Clean. And did I delete one? Oh yeah. And then gun. Yeah, there's a one. Okay, now let's become a Hesperornis, a Scipionis. Bro, get out of here! No! No! Sorry, bro. Gotta do this. Now let's become a let's do a Jehalornis. Oh my goodness! I forgot something. I need the egg. The egg. We're going to show the Kaua'i Ō'ō now. Uh-oh. The Kaua'i Ō'ō. Bird fly. Pelagonus sandersi. Pelagonus sandersi. Pelagonus sandersi. Pelagonus sandersi. Okay, let's eat this rat. It's called. Wow. Sit, eat, hurt, eyes, walk, and run. And for your life. He's so fast. Let's go up into a female because the male really needs a mate, guys. Okay. Display. Sit. Eat. Put. Display. Clean. Eyes. Run. Walk. And then run. And then fly. Yeah, that's the fly. Okay, now let's become a Hesperornis. It's one of the largest seabirds. I think the eggs are like pitch black or pitch brown. I think they were actually pitch brown, like 100% brown. Royal Wellness. Oh my goodness! This is the same guy that keeps on naming herself Well. No! I'm gonna burn myself with that. Okay, so I think this is pitch blue. I keep smacking myself against the door. Okay, let's shake, crack, and then hatch. We're gonna do the Hesperornis now. Not all of these have the female. Okay, now we have a Hesperornis. Let's do all of its animations. That's the call. Sit. Dude, that is not comfortable. Eat. Good. I think you're actually sleeping. Eyes. Run. Actually, I'm making this mistake. Okay, here's walk. Here's run. This one is actually a second bird to have a swimming animation, but I'll show that to you later. Royal Wellness. Well. Dude! Please! Stop! Stop it! No! Bro. Okay, so now I can do this in peace. Sorry guys. Why did I end up here? Okay, I cannot stop with the calling. Let's see what's inside of its beak, shall we? Open wide. We're gonna put a camera. Oh wow, there's nothing in there. Wow! Royal Wellness. I don't know if we can fit in here when we grow up, but sure. We're gonna do swimming animations last. Oh no. Let's do the call. We have food. Ugh. Wait, why is my nest flying? My nest is... How come... Okay, let's see. Oh my goodness! That guy's probably like, you did nothing wrong. Why are you in out of here. This is my house. Don't get off my swamp. This is a get off my swamp moment. You know what? Eat. Okay, this is huge. You know what, guys? I'm going into this other one. Oh my goodness! You can't even have a home. You know what? I'm getting the human home. I'm choosing this human home as my home. It is so no. You know what? We're watching a battle for the ages. Who will win? It's like we're watching a battle for the ages. This one is like, who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Okay, I named myself Shrek. Okay, let's get this seriously, okay? Sit. Eat. I'm eating the flock nest. Hut. Display. That's actually a funny display. He's trapping himself. Clean. So I don't think that's a good idea to do it like that. Eyes. Okay, eyes into the animation. Getting so angry. Okay, you know what, guys? I'm going. Dude, it's not even funny. Peekaboo. Teleport to this kookaburra. Sit! Eat. Okay guys, so now I'm going to be a Sapiornis. A Sapiornis. I think the eggs are like grayish, blackish. Grayish, blackish. Is that a color? Okay. Oh, there's already this bird sitting on me. Oops. Birdfly flock is really crazy. A Sapiornis makes a weird sound. Here's the chick. Here's the call. Run. Here's the walk. Here's the sit. Eat. Put. Nice. Okay, now let's go up. You might be wondering, what's your new character? I made a new character, and it's now my official Feather Family character. And you might be wondering, why are you not using it? It's because this is just a display video. Sit, run. And here's walk. Eat. Hood. Wow, that's like the albatross. Look at this. That's like the mini albatross wings. It's like mini albatross wings. Okay, display. That's kind of cool. Kind of like dancing. Green. Eat. Ice and then fry. No. Okay, I guess we gotta do the fry. This bird must rest. I know. Okay, here's flapping. Oh my gosh. Here's flapping. Here's gliding. Go flapping. Okay. I think at this point I should stick with the large egg and not change its colors. Now we're gonna do the dodo. Archaeopteryx, the Halluinus, and yeah, I think that's all. Okay. Teleport to base. Not Sparrow on. Is this guy a Hesper? He's a Hesper. Dude. Okay, let's do it here. Okay, now we're gonna do the jackal. Oh my. I'm getting the gas tortoise next, then the mole, the calantin, then the pelagonus, then the harpagonus, then the archaeopteryx, then the skeleton. Remember that in the correct order. Okay, now we're going into Jehalornis mode. Yay! Okay, here's the cow, the run. Here's the walk. Sit, eat, put, ice, and now let's go. Keep colors. It's actually cool that it changes from that color to this color. Keep call. Here's run. She kind of runs like Naruto, but if you want to see Naruto, you're gonna skip a little. But don't skip. There's a lot of excitement here. Wow! There's so much stuff here. Mana kadir kaburlah kipari kajudari abet walk, and then here's sit, and then here's eat, and this is hurt. Oh wait, hurt. This is display. Oh, this display. I've made a 30-minute video. Oh wow! Eyes and then laughing. Gliding. Okay, so now at this point, I think we're gonna skip the egg because this is taking way too long. Oh my goodness. Now let's try the doodle. 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 Walk, sit, eat, hurt, eyes, and now let's go. Okay guys, now we can start with the walk with the swimming animations. Here's the dodo. Now let's view the archaeopteryx. This is the last bird for today. The adult archaeopteryx. We're gonna do a part 2. Okay, here's the call. Sit. Hurt. Eat. Hurt. Display. Wow, it's like the literal dancing. Clean. Is this guy VIB? Okay, so now we have its swimming animation. Eyes, flying, flapping, gliding. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I'm gonna play a bit more. I'm gonna do a part 2 tomorrow. See you there. Peace.